Welcome to another exploration of ethical paradigms, where we unravel the intricacies of deontology in the realm of communication practice. Immanuel Kant, a luminary deontologist, left us with the categorical imperative as our guiding principle. Act only according to that maxim, whereby you can at the same time will that it should become a universal law without contradiction. Now let's delve into the implications of deontology, focusing on the vital theme of transparency. In the corridors of government communication, the question looms: how transparent should a government be? In deontological framework, transparency becomes a duty, an obligation to actively disclose information. This could compel governments to open the curtains on data policies and strategies, empowering citizens with knowledge. Yet the dilemma arises: how to balance openness with the protection of classified information, safeguarding the pillars of governance. As the digital landscape evolves, the meaning of transparency undergoes a metamorphosis. It's no longer just about visibility, it's about active disclosure. Websites, social media, and societal shifts redefine transparency. But as deontology asserts, duty precedes consequences. So, how do these digital advances impact the duty of transparency, especially in a world where information overflows and misinterpretation can ever present threats? For communication researchers, deontology raises its heads in the form of honesty about intentions. Is there a duty to be transparent about research motives? This ethical imperative challenges researchers to navigate the landscape of disclosure, ensuring that transparency is not just a checkbox but a genuine commitment to ethical conduct. Now let's step into the world of advertising, a realm where transparency can be a slippery slope. Consider product placement in television series. The audience expects creativity. But what if these creative choices are driven by corporate deals? Deontology confronts us with the duty to be transparent, yet doing so may disrupt the illusions of creative independence. The same ethical dilemma echoes in the blogosphere, where paid partnerships blur the lines between independent commentary and deceit. Is there a moral obligation for bloggers to reveal the strings attached to their content? In the tapestry of communication practices, deontology weaves a thread of duty and transparency. As we grapple with these ethical quandaries, let us reflect on the essence of deontological principles, where transparency is not just a means to an end, but a duty upheld for its intrinsic ethical value. Join us in the next segment as we unravel more ethical dimensions, exploring the intricate intersections of principles and practices in the vast landscape of communication ethics.